about cytoplasm. So let's begin the topic. Okay, so let's talk about cytoplasm. यहाँ एक definition है, simple सी definition है cytoplasm की. It is the clear fluid part which exists in two states, soul and gel. ये एक clear fluid होता है जो दो states में exist करता है, एक soul state में और एक gel state में. Gel आप जानते ही हैं क्या होता है, ठीक है. सोल होता है सॉलिड और लिक्विड का जो एक कोलाइडल सस्पेंशन होता है, उसको बोलते हैं हम सोल, ठीक है. आगे आप पढ़ोगे हायर स्टैंडर्ड में इसके बारे में, अभी आपको बस इतना जानना ही इनफ है. जब ये एक सोल फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट करता है, क्या, साइटोप्लाज्म, तो हम इसे बोलते हैं प्लाज्मा सोल. और जब ये जेल फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट करता है तो हम इसे बोलते हैं प्लाज्मा जेल. ओके, अब हम बात करते हैं साइटोप्लाज्म कहाँ प्रेजेंट होता है सेल में. तो साइटोप्लाज्म सेल में स्केटर होते हैं. देखिए ये सब साइटोप्लाज्म है, ठीक है, जिसमें सारी सेल ऑर्गेनलीज, जितनी भी आपको सेल ऑर्गेनलीज दिख रही हैं यहाँ तक, ये इसमें एम्बेडेड होंगी. किसमें? साइटोप्लाज्म में, ठीक है. ये सब साइटोप्लाज्म है. अब हम बात करें अगर एक सेल के स्ट्रक्चर की, तो सेल में क्या क्या होता है? न्यूक्लियस होता है. चाहे वो एनिमल सेल हो चाहे वो प्लांट सेल हो, उसमें न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट होगा, ठीक है. सेल वॉल प्रेजेंट होती है. किसमें होती है? ओनली प्लांट सेल में. और प्लांट सेल में सेल वॉल सेलुलोज की बनी होती है. किसकी बनी होती है? सेलुलोज की. सो नाउ टाइम टू लर्न अबाउट सेल ऑर्गेनली. Okay, I will show the video. This is very helpful for learn about the cell organelle. Okay, so please watch it carefully. Now it's time to learn about cell organelle. So our first cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a three-dimensional, complicated and interconnected system of membrane-linked channel that run through the cytoplasm. When we talk about endoplasmic reticulum, it is basically two types. The first one is rough endoplasmic reticulum and the second smooth endoplasmic reticulum. When we talk about the rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is also called granular endoplasmic reticulum. It is rough in appearance because of the presence of a small granular structure named ribosomes on its surface. When we talk about smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is found mostly in the outer part of the cytoplasm. It is smooth in appearance with no ribosome on its surface. When we talk about the functions, so it serves many purposes, such as it forms cytoskeleton, means it supports framework of the cell. It also provides surface for cell secretion and storage. It keeps various organelle at their places. Also, it helps in the formation of other organelles. Now comes to the second cell organelle, which is ribosomes. These are smaller granular structures without membrane, visible only under electron microscope. They are usually found attached on the outer surface of endoplasmic reticulum as well as freely in the cytoplasm. Ribosomes are the smallest known cell organelle. They are the only organelle which are present in all types of cell. The important thing, group of ribosomes are called polysomes. They help in the protein synthesis and are known as protein factory of the cell. Now comes to the third cell organelle and the important cell organelle, known as mitochondria. The mitochondria are seen as thread-like or granule-like structures under light microscope and double-walled bag-like structure under electron microscope. The inner membrane of mitochondria is produced into several finger-like processes called cristae. The inner membrane is studded with tennis racket-like structures called oxysome or elementary particles and also called F1 particle. Now comes to the function of mitochondria. In the mitochondria, respiratory enzymes are present that help in the oxidation of food materials and release of energy. The energy thus released is stored in the form of energy-rich bonds called ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate. The stored energy facilitates various metabolic activities, hence they are called powerhouse of the cell. It's time to come on the fourth cell organelle, which is Golgi complex, also called Golgi body. It is a pile of flattened sacs named cisternae, along with small vesicles and tubules present usually near the nucleus. In case of plant cells, these are called dictyosomes, found distributed throughout the cytoplasm. Now come to the function. The Golgi complex is mainly concerned with the following functions, that are secretion, formation of acrosome of sperm, which you study in higher classes. And the last is formation of lysosomes. Okay, so next cell organelle is lysozymes. These are small vesicles which are bounded by a single membrane and contain hydrolytic enzymes which are acid hydrolysis. They contain almost 40 different types of enzymes. These enzymes help in the digestion of foreign bodies. If the enzymes are released into the cytoplasm because of the rupturing of their limiting membrane, these enzymes can digest all the components of the cell. Hence, they are known as suicide bag of the cell. Now, it's time to come functions. So, first is digestion of foreign bodies. It also helps in cell division. Now comes to last and also important cell organelle known as plastids. These are present only in the plant cells, not present in the animal cell. They are double-walled vesicle of different shapes. Depending upon the color, they are categorized into two types. The first one is leucoplast, second one is chromoplast. When we talking about leucoplast, these are colorless plastids as they do not contain any pigment, and depending upon the type of food stored, they are further classified as amyloplast, proteinoplast, elioplast. Amyloplast stored carbohydrates, where proteinoplast stored proteins and elioplast stored fats. Now comes to chromoplasts. So these are colored plastids because of the presence of colored substance called pigments. One more term included in plastid are chloroplast. So these are the most abundant photosynthetically active chromoplast and are green in color. They contain green color pigment named chlorophyll and a small quantity of yellow pigment called xanthophyll. Life sustained in this universe because of chloroplast. They help in the process called photosynthesis, during which organic food produced from CO2 and H2O. So here all the cell organelles completed, and this is the whole overview of cell organelle. I hope you all are understand. So if you like my video, please press the like button, subscribe my channel for further new important lectures. Okay, so have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.